Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Foodie vlog. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to make something that is one of my favorites. It's actually one of my favorite seafood and it is prawn. And I've decided to make prawn koliwada for today's lunch. Prawn koliwada is basically spicy fried prawns. It's famous in Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai. And this is the first time I'm going to try it in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. So I have 500 to 600 grams of prawn here, and the first step is to marinate it. So I'm gonna start my marination. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, red chili powder, some cumin powder, and then I'm just gonna mix all of this together. You can use your hand. Make sure that all the pieces are coated well. I'm gonna leave the prawns for about half an hour, and now we'll start making the batter. So for that we need 1 tablespoon of besan, and we need 1 tablespoon of refined flour. I think I'll have a little more besan because the quantity is more, so you can adjust accordingly. Then I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoon of curd. So here it goes. And I'm going to add some Kashmiri red chili powder, and I'm going to mix all of this together now to form a nice paste. I'm just going to add a little more water because it's getting dry, so I'll just add a little water. I've made the batter, and as you can see it is nice and thick. If you feel like it's too thick or it's dried up, you can just add water as and when needed. So our batter is ready, and I'll just let the prawns rest for a little while more. Also, I'm just gonna add a little more salt to my batter, just for the taste, and I'm also adding red food coloring. It's optional, you don't have to add it, but I'm gonna add it to give the prawns a nice color, the rich red color. I added the red food color and I've mixed it well. It's completely alright if you skip this step, it's not compulsory, but I've just given it for the color. The next step is to fry the prawns. So I'm gonna heat some oil in a kadai, and once it's heated up, I'm going to add the prawns. The next step is to coat the prawns with the batter. So I'm gonna take a prawn and I'm gonna coat it with the batter, and I'm gonna do this with all the prawns. Make sure it's well coated so that all the flavors you get. I've coated the prawns, and I'm gonna add this one by one to the oil. So let's start frying. I'm going to fry these until they're golden brown. As you can see, this has formed a nice color and the prawns are ready. So I'm going to take them out in a plate. My prawns Koliwada is ready. I have taken them out in a tissue paper so that it soaks up all the excess oil. This is how the prawn Koliwadas look, and I love the color and I cannot wait to dig in. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.